Welcome to Klein Electronics. Let's talk about how to care for your CURL earpiece. Let's start with the features. The CURL has a flexible, comfortable ear loop for all-day use. The speaker swivels for left or right ear use. The CURL has an inline push-to-talk switch, a swivel adjustable clothing clip on the back, and a microphone on the top, coupled with rugged strain reliefs. Well, now let's talk about the handling, do's and don'ts for the CURL. The CURL has a soft, pliable covering over the speaker. Please don't press into this as you might puncture the speaker and break it. The CURL is easily sanitized with antiseptic wipes for the next shift. Be careful not to bend or wrap the CURL wires too tightly, as they may break inside. Be careful not to use too much force when swiveling the speaker for left or right ear use. The force of swinging the CURL around may cause the wires to become disconnected inside. Try not to grab or hold your device by using the wire on the CURL earpiece. Better to handle the device itself rather than pull it out by the cable. And there you go. Now you're a pro.